Yeah, viewers and subscribers, good morning. Um, Mr. Jerry Edwin, did I pay you to come to court? Yes. What about my money I pay you to come to court? 3 times I went to court and you did not turn up. What about my money? Mr. Jerry Edwin, I never asked you. I pay you. 3 times I went to court. You do not turn up. Thursday, when we went to court, the 15th, me call you and you hang up your phone and me say, okay. What about my money, Mr. Jerry Edwin? Me never know I pick me pick money off a tree if you come pay you if you come to court. What about my money? Did I beg you to come to court, Mr. Jerry Edwin? I pay you, okay? I pay you. And more you tell the people them how much money me pay you. Why you didn't turn up to court? Boss. That's why I tell Mr. Andrew Holness, if you fuck off with these people, yeah, we don't like fucking Jamaican people. When me money when me pay you if you come to court, Mr. Jerry Edwin, me need me money. 3 times, people. 3 times me went to court and this fucking man to come and me pay me money. So why you take me money if you not go turn up? Eh? Why you take me money? Boss, Sir Andrew Holness, I me tell you these people don't like us. Stay away from these fucking people. They don't like yo. This fucking man take my money. 3 times me got court. Even a judge, a ask, way lawyer. You understand what I did? I'm even tell him, and I chew me attack. Me pay the fucking man. And he don't come. Eh? And you don't come. I say you go around and take people money. You're not gonna be time with your fucking be. Remember that.